Hey everybody, what's up and welcome back to today's video guys. And today guys, I'm going to be showing you how to leave a group chat on Threads. This is a very simple thing to do, so make sure to watch this quick and easy video to the very end and follow my steps correctly so you can make sure this works the same for you and you can do this yourself. But yeah guys, let's get straight into it. So the first thing we want to do is to go ahead and open up the official Threads application on our mobile phone if you have not already. If you do not already have it downloaded, what you want to do is go ahead and open up the App Store on your mobile phone. Go ahead and open up the App Store, search for the Threads application, and then download it. Once you have downloaded, you can go ahead and log into your account. And once you have logged into the account from which you want to leave the group chat for, it's going to open up like this. So this is going to be your homepage. This is the Threads homepage from where we can access all the tweets that are being posted by people right here. As you can see at the bottom of the corner, we can access everything such as the search bar. We have our profile option in the bottom right corner and so on. And now we can get started. So basically guys, what you want to do is go ahead and first find the option for your Thread group chat right here. Sometimes the option is available depending on the update of your application that you're using. Sometimes they remove it and add it back later on. It's still not a permanent feature, so if you cannot find your group chat right here, what you can do is just go ahead and leave it from your Instagram directly. So as you can see, currently I do not have the group chats option right here in my Threads application. So what I'm going to do is open up my Instagram application. And once you have opened up your Instagram application and you have opened up your group chat, this is my group chat right here. And from here, as you can see, under the profile picture of the group chat, we have the option to leave the group. So here we have the leave button that you can see. If we click the leave button, it's going to enable us to leave the chat. You just click leave, and this is going to enable you to leave that group chat, and it's going to leave it on Threads as well. And it's easy as that. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. So guys, thanks for watching. Take care and bye.